So she began to teach them, because she said you cannot talk to a child about God if their stomach is empty. So she started with the social needs, and then from there she moved to their spiritual needs. So that's why our ministries have always been both in some shape or form. And so she started inviting some of the young girls from the school, from Our Lady of Guadalupe school. She started training them as catechists. That's how we started. So that's why our title is Missionary Catechist of Divine Providence. So we still continue to catechize in many different ministries. We are about the only congregation in the U.S. who's predominant Mexican American, native born in Houston, Texas, serving our own people. So we feel that we're missionaries to our own. We have a lot of Hispanics at our school, not only Hispanics, but especially women, and I keep telling them, I started my doctorate at the age of 60. You can start yours at the age of 40. So to encourage them that all of us have something to give, all of us have some good, and we need to just bring it out of each other and be there to support people on the journey. So that is my greatest blessing, and I hope that I will live a little longer to be able to continue doing that.